Welcome to this week's installment of Rochelle's Daily Wire, Video Edition. I am Bill Rochelle, the editor-at-large for American Bankruptcy Institute. We come to you the same time every Friday to highlight some important developments with respect to bankruptcy law in the prior week. As you can see from the background, snow has come to the high desert, ruining the day of golfers, but much to the pleasure of skiers up in the mountain. This week, we're going to talk about solvency and insolvency. As you know, it was decided many years ago under the Bankruptcy Code that you don't have to be insolvent to be in bankruptcy. On the other hand, a debtor's solvency can be an important factor in a court's decision on whether or not to dismiss that debtor's bankruptcy case. It just happened that we had two decisions within a matter of days of each other, reaching opposite results with respect to a solvent debtor. One decision, the first to come down, was by bankruptcy judge Lori Selber Silverstein in Delaware. She held, with respect to a solvent Chapter 11 corporate debtor, that solvency was a significant factor in her decision to dismiss the Chapter 11 case. But perhaps more important, she determined that the debtor was using bankruptcy shall we say, offensively, to feather the nest of the company's owner at the expense of a creditor. On the other hand, we have the Fourth Circuit, which held a few days after Judge Silverstein, that it was proper to allow an individual debtor to remain in Chapter 7, although he was solvent several times over. If you have this issue of solvency in a case of yours, we suggest that you read both of these decisions very carefully because they will tell you everything you need to know about solvency as grounds for dismissal. Judge Silverstein's Chapter 11 case in Delaware was called Rent-A-Wreck, and in the Fourth Circuit, it's called Janvey versus Romero. We talk about both of these cases extensively in my February 23 column on ABI's website. And of course, as always, we recommend that you use the wealth of information on ABI's website to assist in your endeavors with respect to bankruptcy law and practice. Meanwhile, this is Bill Rochelle signing off until next week.